till 5 because he wants an appetizer first. What, Janet? Okay, people. He's looking around, saying, "This is all you got for me?" I really wanted a steak. This mouse is kind of scrawny. Don't worry, no mice. Well, the mouse has been harmed, but that's the way it is in nature, people. So this snake is a beloved snake family member of my brother's. That's all. Goodbye. Yum. I think I would do it. I'm gonna have to put this down. Wait until it gets in there? Yeah, but then it's right now. Oh. Behind his head. Okay, take the box out. Take the box. Take the box. Okay. So you're gonna have to take it. You're gonna have to get the rest of the way. He's happy. Oh my God, he's not too happy. He's facing me. Okay, let's go put him in. I don't like steaks because his head's. He's too far. Come over here. We're gonna You're going to. Okay. And then. I'm sorry, I'm not very good at this. That was a little bit of a. Wait, is this upside down? I don't know. We're gonna figure that out. Let's put a brick on it. I was gonna say with the flashlight on it. We're gonna double tape. We're gonna. Okay. Wait. Okay. We have snake capture. Okay, now he's very thirsty. Okay. So we put vodka in there. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? Okay, he's a happy snake.